basic ab workout. Start with warm up. Stretch your whole body before starting to work out. You can pause this video to do your stretching. Remember to control your breathing. First is knee touch crunches. Place your hands in your thighs and slide it forward until you touch your knee as you contract your core. Next is leg raises. Place your hand at the back of your butt and straight your legs and then raise your legs up until you form a 90 degrees angle. Next is heel touches. Bend your knees, straight your arms, and then reach your one heel using your abs and do it to the other side. Next is flutter kick. And raise your one leg slightly past hip height and lift the other leg few inches off the floor. Next is plank knee to elbow. Start with high plank position and then bring your right knee to your right elbow and do it with your left knee alternating. Next is reach through crunches. Start with sit-up position, shoulder width apart, and extend your arms towards the ceiling. And then do a sit-up using your abs. Next is bicycle crunches. Lie flat on the floor with your knees bent. Raise your left elbow into your right knee using your abs and do it to the opposite side. Last is plank. Hold it for 30 seconds. Remember to lower your butt. And now you're done. Don't wish for a good body. Work for it.